Morning, guys. Heading out on another fishing trip this morning. But I look much nicer today. Hope the fish bite better today. It was not great yesterday. Catch you out there. Morning, guys. Captain Brian at your service.
Morning, Captain Brian.
Alright, there you go. Alright, so you can help me out. If you get some shots that I don't get, we'll share. Alright. How's your morning so far, guys?
So far, so good.
Alright, nice.
You guys got Smax. He's gonna meet you guys today. He's gonna meet you here.
Yeah, nice meeting you. My name is Matt. You can come into the gear room here. I have some things on Matt.
Max will pick you up with things on match. You get a detailed briefing when you get on the boat, guys. Welcome aboard, and let me officially meet you guys. Michelle.
Yes.
We'll put those underneath the seat. We'll put them right in here. Michelle and Nico.
This is Nico.
Nico. Fabio. I like that name. And you?
Yeah.
Bia. Nice to meet you guys, alright?
It's Beatrice.
Beatrice.
That you call her Bia.
Alright. Tell you what, it's hard to remember names, but as soon as you catch a fish and we're calling your name so many times, it hooks in my head.
Yes.
Alright guys, let's drop those over here. Put them away. Put them in here. Oh, yeah.
Don't forget it in there, yeah. Things on Matt.
Masks as well. How we know which one?
They're all the same. These masks, they're not different. Unless you got a different color. Alright guys, the plan today. We're fishing for the half day. We usually fish around to 11 o'clock. Depends on how far I am away from the snorkeling spot or where we're gonna have lunch. I might just leave a little bit earlier to reach there so we can get lunch in time. But play it by ear. Today is not a bad day, so I can run real good.
We have
Alright.
a job for Nick.
The first fishing will be 35 minutes and 8 seconds line will be going overboard. Okay? We're going straight to the fishing site. Sometimes we stop and we catch bait, but no bait was out there yesterday, so I'm not gonna waste time. We're going straight to fishing. Alright? Now, before we start fishing, we also give you a briefing then, alright? Just before we start fishing, we'll give you a fishing briefing, alright guys? Anything to add, Max? Nicolas, eat it. Alright guys, I'll turn on the AC. It's a little bit hot. Hey guys, we'll start to fish now. Max, when you're done, give them the rules, especially the first one, the free spool. I make them hold it down, one for each side and hold it outside. Yeah. Right.
I want you to sit here and just hold on to this rod like this.
Alright.
Something gonna hit it, it's gonna run with it. Sit right here.
Then what do I do?
Just sit there and look good.
Alright.
I'm gonna tell you when to reel and when not to reel.
Alright.
Whenever you have the bait inside the boat, I'm gonna say open. All you need to do is open it. Okay? When I say open that. Even if you have a fish or not, only when I say open it.
Okay.
Then it will open.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Okay?
sure. Okay.
If I don't say open, do not open it. Got that? Good.
Guys, that's a very important rule, okay? Once a fish is in the boat, you gotta free the line. We call it a bail. Flip the bail so the line is free. The reason for that is we got line to work with. I've seen it happen a lot.
Free means open there.
Yeah, it don't happen to any of us because I'm very strict about it. Because what happen is, if you have a fish and you're trying to take the hook out the fish and you get a jerk on the line, the hook goes in your hand. But if you get a jerk on the line and it's free, the line is free, so you don't get hurt, okay? It's very important.
Okay.
When you
Yeah.
catch a fish, it comes in the boat. You open the reel. He's gonna show you. City, he's gonna show you.
I'm gonna tell you when to reel again. When I say open it or free it, you're gonna just open it here. Look like a man?
Need to open or not?
Not yet.
No, not
yeah.
yet.
Whenever you reel in and got a fish or I'm blessing with the lure, then you gotta open so you don't hook me.
A bite, it's gonna damage the bait, so we change it, okay?
I'm not seeing it jump out and the water with it.
You jump with it,
Here, hold on to it. You have no bait, Fabio. Stop reeling.
Don't
Hey.
eat bait.
Look
Yeah.
your bait. Open.
you stole it,
Yeah.
gone, everything.
Open.
What?
Open.
What's that?
Open.
Ah, okay.
That is open, so I don't get hooked.
Okay, sure.
Hey boy, first one. I see I don't go the water with it.
A big one.
A big one, yes. Voila.
This one not going back.
My Nicolas.
The hook too small.
My Nicolas.
That's why I put on a bigger hook on the next one.
We're gonna go back to the start, Nicolas.
Hey, gone. Don't reel it, Fabio. Leave it out. Leave it out.
Leave it, babe.
When I ask you to reel,
That one's gone.
Nick,
I'll make sure it's set, Mark.
run again, okay?
Make sure it hook.
Reel.
Just
reel.
listen to him,
When
guys.
he sees the boat, it's gonna swim away. You don't do anything. Reel it all the way to the boat.
You're looking good so far. You're looking good.
Reel, sir. Pull it tip up and reel. You're doing good. Reel, Fabio. This is not a bluegill. This is not a bluegill, Fabio. Good job. Very much. I gotta catch him first.
You got us
I
lunch.
gotta jump the hook in him first. It's gonna come close and it's gonna run again. When it runs, just leave it run. Ah, it's coming from the coast. Coming in from the coast. Come, Fabio. You're doing good, Fabio. Bring it on, Fabio. Very good, Mr. Nick. That's the time you're not catching fish. Come on, Papa.
See, you gotta look at.
It's not far. It's not far. Yep, I'm trying to get this other one ready.
Come, babe.
I'm going!
Go, Papa. It's gonna come and it's gonna run again.
And then you get your second workout.
Reel it in again and say, ah. Come on, Papa. You okay?
No,
Yeah.
if you were to
Come on, come do that.
Oh, it's coming. You can see it.
Yeah.
Hey, you wanna see?
Papa.
Right here.
Point it this way, Papa. Real good.
A good one, Mark.
Dad. Nice, Dad. Real, Papa. Real, Papa. Real, Papa. Real, Papa.
Mark, you need to, next time you haul out the longer hook. That's the short one you got there.
Dale pa. Dale pa. Dale pa. Ahí está pa. Ahí está pa. Papa, you're doing good, Papa. That's the wrong thing. You Stop reeling up the light, say stop. Reel, papa, reel, papa. Dale, papa, dale, papa. Dale, papa, dale, papa.
Max, I think that drag was,
Yeah, that's that.
I think that drag was a little bit light.
Dale, papa.
Yep, it's very light. With the fishing bigger hook and bigger
Dale,
fish.
papa, dale, papa. Dale, papa, dale,
It's
papa.
almost there, a nice one. That bugger don't want to swing back. Alright.
Yeah, they're coming.
No, he swing back.
Dale, papa. Almost there, papa. Almost there. Reel, papa, reel. Reel, papa. Papa. Reel, papa. Reel, papa, reel, papa.
Oh!
Reel, papa.
Show me off,
Dale,
man.
papa.
Nice one, boy. Oh, yeah. Oh, boy. That's a nice one. Nice one. The first fish, and it's a nice one.
Good
Yes.
job, papa.
Good job. Max, come inside of that fish.
Oh my god.
Never hold it overboard there. No, I lose
Are you
there.
scared of my fish, lady?
Boy, this bugger, you fat. Boy, man, it's a nice fat one. Good job, man. Your turn next, buddy.
Yeah, next.
Good job.
You
That's
ready,
a
Nick?
nice one.
Not a bluegill, Nick.
Max, and I done got one ready now with double hook this time.
Double.
That one, the rig just I can't afford to miss any more. We missed quite a few
You gonna do this,
earlier,
see?
but
Yeah.
we don't want to miss any more.
Oh, Ricard.
See that? Double hook.
Double hook.
Put your hands forward.
Hey.
Go
All right.
Salve, What the hell, Nicolas?
You still got it? You still there?
Hey, sir. Just really straight, mama.
Still there?
No, I don't think so.
Lift your rod tip. That's how we know if you got a fish or not. You can't point it straight to the fish. You got to keep it up so we know what's happening, okay?
I don't know if it's still there. It's gone very light.
No, I think you got a fish. Max, you had this way back at a shovel here and now. Not so far. It's the weird back. Oh man, this is a weird still. I don't know if it was a big. Let me see something. Let me see something. I don't think the. No, Max. No, don't stop.
It's still there. Oh, sorry.
Here's the next rule. You don't say the fish is gone until
Okay.
you see your bait come in and it don't have a fish.
Okay.
Don't say it's gone because what they do, they run up to the boat
Ah,
and then they shake the hook.
Yeah.
The little slack they get on the line, they will shake your hook.
No fish.
No fish.
I see right now. Okay, false alarm.
False alarm.
Come on, fish, come on.
Bonita. Lógico, pô. Não tem problema nenhum, né?
Nothing. Is they on? Is they on? Lift up your rod tip.
Was I
Lift up your tip. Lift up the rod tip so we can see. Yeah, yeah. Lift it up. Lift it up.
Reel. Raise it up.
Because I bring mine out.
Yes.
Yes. Bring yours up.
Reel, Nicholas. Hot spot, Nicholas.
Nicholas, don't point the rod to the fish. Lift up the tip.
Lift up the tip.
Lift up your rod tip. Correct. Hold it up. That's how you do it. That's how you do it, buddy. Keep up that rod tip up in the air.
It's gonna see the boat and it's gonna take off again. Then you point it to him.
Alright.
Yeah, let it take off. You hold it out on the side. Maxi, there. Hold on, Nicholas. Stop.
Reeling, Nick. Follow him, Nick.
Hold the rod out on the side, Nicholas. Bring it out.
On the
Yeah,
side?
yeah. Point it out here. Yeah, correct. You want to keep him away from the engine, right?
Real?
Reel. Two more. One.
All
A
right.
little bit more. Point it to me now.
No, put it over to Max. Put it over to Max. If you can. If you can.
Yeah. He's not.
Over to Max. Over to Max. Got his ass, Max.
Let's go.
See?
Nicholas finally got his fish.
Hey.
You finally got your fish,
Finally got
Nicholas.
your-
Finally, buddy.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Nick.
All right. See, you got a little piece of bait still there. Just the
Which
tail.
one is that?
We don't have
Same
any,
barracuda.
we don't have any more of these. We
Oh,
were trying to
shoot.
get just now, but there was none in there.
Yeah.
Okay, but we got a good one here. You see? Yeah, that can catch one. You have on grass. We need to take off the grass. Big one.
Reel, mama. Hold the tip up like this, mama. See?
Turn around to the fish.
Straight up and reel.
Turn around.
Reel,
Face the
yourself.
fish.
Yeah. Reel now.
Real.
Face the fish. Face the fish. Yeah, you're doing good.
Do it again.
You got a nice one.
Big job.
Yeah.
How mama does it like a professional, Nick? Took you like half day.
Slow pace, and you're
Inside
doing
boat,
good there,
everything.
girl.
It's gonna
You're doing
see
good.
the boat and it's gonna run again, mama. You don't worry about it.
You're doing good. You're doing
You reel,
good.
if you put this hand up here, it's gonna be easier for you to reel. Good job. Gonna see the boat, it's gonna take off again, and I'm gonna walk you through it. Reel, you're doing good. Reel. See him here coming? Wow, little.
What?
Little.
You know, so big. It make a big splash. You know?
Yeah.
What you do?
I will pull you on, Jaffa.
No, you can lift in with the rod.
Reel, mama, reel.
With the
mama.
line. Lift on right in with the line, Max.
Reel, mama. Woo! It's feisty.
Lift on right in with the line. All right, just lift the rod tip now. Max gonna hold the line.
Good job, mama.
Move back way, move back way, move back way. All right.
You lost him right there.
Good job, baby.
Almost
I got a
got
little
away.
one as well.
That's your bait. Oh no, that's a remora.
Make us see what happened there, Max.
Yeah.
He broke it?
The swivel. That's
Yep.
why I back in, no?
Oh yeah, he broke it. Yeah. Well,
Hook
we
again.
got her anyway.
Trail hook again.
Yep, that is trailing hook catcher again.
Yeah.
They're stealing the bait, but they're getting hooked. I made a trailing hook.
They on,
for them.
right? They on. Turn it around, yeah. It's crap.
Okay, they on.
Come, Nicholas. Come help your sister.
Oh shoot.
Go help.
Come, Nicholas.
Go.
I'll do yours.
And reel that. Come, buff kid.
What's up, dude?
I like mine.
You got it?
Yeah.
It's beast fish.
Reel it all the way to the boat, mama.
Huh?
Reel it all the way to the boat.
Woo! Go deep.
Gone. Shake it right there.
Oh, God.
Got away?
Yeah.
Shake it right there. I saw that.
Yeah.
That's all right.
Oh, we can't get him out.
Lady.
Why? See the
Start
splash.
reeling him.
Yes, start to reel.
Pull it up.
Yeah.
Don't say that. Remember I told you don't say that? Reel.
You're ahead.
Don't say got away until you see a bait, don't have on a fish or a bait.
Bring it all the way.
Because if you give him slack, he's going to get away.
Do
Get
I
away.
really?
Yeah, you got to keep it tight, otherwise he get away. That was a nice hit there, but that one's gone.
This one behind you, reel it.
Lift it up.
Take it out, little girl. Take it out. That's you.
Wrong.
Yeah.
Wrong and wrong. Wrong and wrong. You're doing good. Keep it tight.
done, B. Well done.
Put this here. More leverage. Round and around. Reel her one in, sir. Nicholas, reel her one in.
Reel in fast, Nicola, so you don't catch her line. Come in fast as you can.
Lady, put the tip over here.
I need to see, guys, open up the middle there. I need to see where that line is, otherwise I can put it on the engine by mistake.
Mackerel.
Oh, mackerel!
Flip her in, man.
Stop
Wow.
reeling. Stop reeling. Open.
Nice
open.
one. Open the bill.
Hold on to that.
Is it open?
Let go. Because I'm sorry, I thought you because it's done.
Yeah.
Okay, you let go of this, I'll say.
Yeah, come up here out the way.
Well done, B.
Max will give it to you so you take a
Then
picture.
you're gonna hold. Just leave it hang at the back of your t-shirt. Yeah.
You got your fish, girl.
Yay, mackerel!
Everybody got a fish now, right?
Mackerel's a
Yeah.
good lunch.
Everybody.
fish.
Very happy.
Everybody got fish.
Well done, B.
Good job, Max. All right, Tuanas, we put on.
I'm not holding now.
Yeah, you have
Why
to.
not?
You have to.
Let
Max, you
let
hold-
Max
you-
hold it
you
for
help
you
Max.
then.
Wait.
It's 20 past 10. 20 past 10 o'clock. And that's what we got so far. 1, 2, 3. 3 nice fish. Yesterday at this time, we didn't even have a fish. Didn't even have a fish.
No fish. I got a bite. Oh no.
Could be grass.
Michelle, stop taking it.
Baby can go for a hole.
Take up the other 2 lines. Bring in the other 2 lines.
Good job, Nicola.
Well done, B.
Let's hope it's a snapper we got now.
Put the tip up, lady, and reel. Yes, just like that. Just bring it in with the reel.
When you get close, you go to the side and hold the fish over.
I'm gonna watch you on which side to go. I'm gonna reel that.
No. The port side, Max.
Hold the tip in and just reel that skin.
Port side, Max.
Good. Right here, come to the side.
No. Port side, Max.
Shit, my foot. My leg, sorry. Up. Just stuck it in the rod holder, sir.
Up here. Give it to me. Stuck it up here.
Do you want me to open the rod?
Boy, yeah, it's a snapper. It's the snapper we want.
Yay!
Oh, nice big yellow tail, boy, Max. Big yellow tail, Max.
Good. Turn it to me.
Line!
Open it.
Line!
Open.
Yes.
Good job, lady.
Yeah, it's a snapper. We
Nice
want one
snapper.
more at
Wait,
least.
it's
One
so
more.
pretty.
It is.
No, I mean, if it's the first time you're catching these kind of fish that we're catching right now.
Barracuda, yeah.
You catch barracuda before. Haven't caught a snapper before though. Haven't caught a mackerel before.
Yes.
You did? Alright, more snappers then. More snappers. Mutton snapper, more yellowtail snapper. That's what I'm trying for. We got enough barracuda. I don't want any more barracuda.
What fish should we catch in Amazon? Piranha.
Little fish you got. Mackerel.
Oh.
Don't reel in anymore. Reel a little. Stop. Lift up. There we go.
Oh, came off.
My fault. You good?
Nicholas,
I'm alright.
you see how much line you got in there?
Uh-huh.
Usually you want a little less than that.
Okay.
And watch this. When the fish is there and you lift, see how that come right in?
Oh, okay.
See how that come in?
Okay.
That's what you want to do, okay?
Alright, cool.
But you don't want to. You want that much out. So when you lift the rod tip, the fish come right in.
Okay.
See that?
Alright, okay.
So when we say lift, that's what we mean, okay?
Got you.
All right, go back out again.
Little soft.
Thanks.
A little mackerel, buddy. So you got 2. You're tied with your sister.
Oh, we gotta break that tie, little lady.
Okay, guys, that's a wrap. That's a wrap. Let's go.
Pull them
We
out.
got a, yeah, bring them up. We got a long run back to our destination. Yeah. And that was not a bad morning. Oh man, I beat yesterday by far. Yesterday was really tough. Today is a little bit better. That's how fishing goes. Yeah, I run. It's calm, so it should take us about 25, 28 minutes to get there.
We have something to eat. Yeah.
Pardon me?
Yeah, something to eat.
Yes, yes. So, Johnny cake we will give you this morning. If you didn't want, we still got it.
You want some?
It's breakfast.
No vai comentar.
Moho Key, guys. M-O-H-O.
Olha pra. Deveria ter comprado aquela
That's where we
ilha
are.
por 4 milhões.
I wanna work today, Max. Papa Max.
I mean, no sharks and all.
Nurse.
Oh,
Nurse.
They weren't attacked.
They will come around anytime I start to clean fish. About 2 nurse shark and maybe 4 rays. Usually come around.
Oh my
Voila,
God,
Max.
look at how many. Look behind you. How many? Oh wow. Tem muito peixe aqui.
Was little baby.
I'm gonna cook up some lunch for you guys. Then we.
Is there any way to get a beer here? Or?
I have some rum punch.
No, thank you.
No bears, man.
Do you like I like rum or like punch?
Would you like rum punch, Mama?
Yes, please.
Would you like some rum punch, Nick?
Yes, please.
No, Lincoln's not allowed rum.
Is there also one?
Yes.
It is rum punch.
It's really called rum.
It is called rum punch for a reason, Nicholas. I have a virgin rum punch too. Right back. We're gonna chill on the island.
Yes.
Yep, this is our stop for the day.
I'm gonna give you the rum punch on the island, okay?
Okay.
Mr. Nick, you gotta be nice to Mama if you want to do rum punch.
I think get in the water first and we'll pause.
Right here, guys.
You go first.
Nicholas, you're first.
Oh,
Be graceful, okay? Don't jump. Sit down and go.
There's some dead corals on the bottom. They will be a little bit hard on your feet, so be careful.
Sit down, Mama, and go.
This is a stop for the day.
Put your pickup on, baby.
No boats yet, but one boat. By lunchtime there should be more boats, usually. Are we good? Yeah. Today it's going to be a piece of barracuda, yellowtail, and piece of mackerel. They want to try them all, so that's what it's going to be. How am I looking there? I gotta... mackerel. And barracuda. This one is already stripped. Breed in the blood. So the rays are here already. Sharks will come in later. They usually come in after everything is finished, but they'll be here. They'll be here. Go for the other one. Okay, ready to go, Max. You will put on the file up there. Ready to go, Max. A lot of fish, but these people sound like they can eat, so we'll see. Four rays now. All right, Max, here you go.
I gotta go right now, please, man.
Looking good. Wait, no wrap on yet. Hold on. I forgot from my olive oil. I forgot my olive oil. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Forgot my olive oil. Right. A little bit of water to make some gravy.
Oh, the shark.
The shark come in? So the shark is here now. Alright, Max. Yeah, you're good to go, buddy. The shark come in finally? Oh yeah. I see him. They're way out. Look like lunch is ready. Let's see what Max got up. Oh yeah. Alright. I want a leg, Max.
You want a leg? No,
Yeah,
left
I
that one
don't
up there for you.
I
You
don't
don't
know.
want sauce, right?
No. I don't know breasts, man. Yeah, they're looking good. How you guys doing?
Very good.
Alright. What? You got a coconut with your rum?
Yeah, rum coconut.
Alright. Okay, lunch will be served in 5 minutes.
Perfect. I hope you have enough for these two, especially this one.
Oh, there's a lot of food. There's a lot of food.
There's a lot. You can put down a lot of food.
There's a lot of food. Well,
Hey, boy.
we'll see you today, man. We'll see you today. There's a lot of fish here. So the barracuda is at the bottom. The yellowtail snapper
Whose barracuda is it?
and the mackerel is on the top. Yeah. So it's
Or Nick or me or Fabio's
it's either yours or me.
Okay.
No, it's not yours.
Wow.
It's Nick one.
Oh man, so that one look good. Alright. So the shine one,
Yes.
mackerel. This one over here, that's the mackerel. This one's the yellowtail. And underneath is the barracuda. Okay?
I'm gonna try it.
There's 4 pieces of yellowtail, 4 pieces of mackerel, and bunch of barracuda.
Nick, this is
It's underneath. So once you take off the snapper and the mackerel from the top, the barracuda will be underneath. Now the mackerel will break up on you because they are very soft, too tender. Underneath, yeah, at the bottom. That's barracuda, correct?